Solar
What all we
system.
learned in that? What all we have
About
learned in that
sun.
in solar system?
About sun.
Huh?
About sun.
About sun.
About
About the moon, about
about the comet.
Good. Then
about the shooting star.
Star.
We learned about
the comet. Isn't it? We learned about the comet. Yes or no?
Yes, comet.
Yes. Now, children, other than these comets, there are different kinds of stones in the space. Okay, there are other
Okay, ma'am.
stones in the
Asteroid.
space. What is it, other?
Asteroid.
Asteroids. What is it called as?
Asteroid.
Asteroids, isn't it? What is it called as?
Asteroid.
Now, comets are the rocks which can flame by itself. Yes, while it
Yes.
is near to the sun, as it is having. What is having for the comet around it? It is having ice, dust, and gas. That is why it is getting
Yes.
littered up. Yes.
Yes.
Now, but the asteroids, do they have all this? They
No.
are simply rocks which is revolving around the sun. Which is revolving around the
Sun.
sun. And children, there are so many other rocks that we cannot, other than the stars and all, there are so many other rocks
Meteor.
that is called as asteroids. And all these things together make our galaxy. What is it?
Galaxy.
Galaxy. And what is our galaxy's name?
Milky Way.
Milky Way.
Way.
Now look here, children. Look here. What all things we learned in the solar system?
The planets. The planet.
The comet.
Shooting stars. The stars.
We learned
The stars.
planets.
Comet.
We learned the
Planets.
Stars.
Comet.
What? Natural satellites.
Natural
Natural
satellite. Comet.
Shooting stars.
Shooting star.
Comet.
Stars.
Comet.
Asteroids.
Asteroids. Shooting stars.
Shooting stars. There is another name for shooting stars. It is called as meteors. What is it?
Meteors.
That is an extra information. You don't want to learn the shooting stars or the meteors in your textbook. We are learning only this 5.
Five things.
Okay. All these things together we will call it as
Galaxy.
is
Milky Way.
Milky Way. What is it?
Milky Way.
Milky Way. Now, children, one second. Can you see the picture?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Galaxy. What is it?
Galaxy.
Galaxy. Like all the sun is over here. Yes?
Yes.
The sun is here and you can see all other things around the sun.
Sun.
Now, children, this is one single galaxy. Okay, there is not only one galaxy, but there are many galaxies. There are many
Galaxies.
Many galaxies in our universe.
In our
Universe.
there are many galaxies. Did you see?
In a
Two galaxies are there here. In this
Wow.
picture, there are two galaxies, isn't it?
Yes.
Likewise, there are many galaxies. All these galaxies are together. We make it into universe. What is it?
Universe.
So you see the galaxies?
Yes.
There are many, isn't it? Here there are two galaxies. From this, one is our galaxy. What is the name of our galaxy?
Milky Way.
Milky Way.
Milky Way. Yes. Our galaxy's name is Milky
Milky
Way.
Way.
Likewise, there are many other galaxies, and those galaxies together make it
Universe.
universe. Isn't it? All the galaxies together,
Make universe.
all the galaxies together make it
Universe.
yes.
Yes.
So these are the things we learned. In this, how many planets do we learn?
Planets.
Who can tell me all the 8 planets?
Ma'am, read the. Let's read the. Let's read the.
Okay, wait.
Let's
Azad,
read the.
Azad, tell me all the 8 planets.
Mercury, Venus,
Yeah.
Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Then,
Ma'am, can I?
wait. Now, which is the main star which all the planets are surrounding? Other,
Sun.
which is the main star?
Sun.
Sun. And which is the natural satellite of Earth? Aditya Krishna. Moon. Yes. Now, children, you learned that about the asteroids. Yes? You
Yes,
learned
ma'am.
about asteroids.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, the main star is Sun, and natural satellite is
Moon.
Moon.
Earth. And you learned what are comets and the shooting star.
Stars.
Asteroids, children, if this is one asteroid, a rock, and if it is standing like this in one line, this is
Yes.
called as asteroid
Asteroid belt.
belt. Asteroid
Asteroid
called as
Asteroid belt.
belt. If all the stones are standing together, in a line, then that is called as asteroid
Asteroid belt. Asteroid belt.
Understood?
Yes.
Everyone, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So what all things are there? In our solar system, we have planets, stars,
Stars,
and all together, what we'll say? It's a galaxy.
Galaxy.
Which is the name of our galaxy?
Milky Way.
And it is in the universe, isn't it? Yes?
Yes.
All the galaxies together, we will call it as
Universe.
universe. Yes or no,
Universe.
children?
Yes.
Everybody, did you
Yes.
understand?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes,
do you have your workbook in front?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take it?
Yes.
Who doesn't
Yes,
have
ma'am.
it, take your
Ma'am,
workbook.
which page?
Page number
12.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Planets alone. Before that, children, planets alone. All the planets together. What we will say? Planetary.
Planetary system.
Planetary system.
Planetary system.
All stars together, what we will call?
Planet.
System.
Huh?
Mars and
Planetary system. So in our planetary system, how many planets are there?
8 planets.
8. Now, in your workbook, question number 1.
Ma'am, can you read?
On which planet do fast storms blow? Which planet you have storms?
Neptune.
Good answer.
Neptune. Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
Next. Which heavenly body forms a bright tail when it is near to the sun, closest to the sun? What is that called as?
Comet. Comet.
Big
Comet.
answer.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Next one, which is the galaxy? Which is our galaxy?
The Milky Way.
Milky Way galaxy.
Milky Way.
Yes. First one's answer is
Neptune.
second one.
Neptune.
B.
B comet.
Third one is
B comet.
Milky Way.
Milky Way.
did we talk about the special comet last time, last class?
Yes. Halley comet.
The comet, Halley's comet, isn't it? Where
Halley's
can,
comet.
next question is, the Halley's comet will probably be seen again in
2061.
2061. 2061. Now what is the year? 2020.
is almost about to become
Yes, getting over within 2-3 days, isn't it?
Yes.
2 days.
2 days.
2 days. Now, fifth one.
Do we call a
What do we call a
solar
system
system?
where a set of planets continuously moves around the
a
star?
star?
What is that system called as?
Planetary system.
The planetary system.
Sixth one. How many planets are there in our solar system?
8 planets.
8. Write in the spelling.
Planets.
Okay.
I'm finished. Proofs like these are found between of Mars and Jupiter. Identify and define them. Ma'am, the next question is about asteroid.
What is it?
The next question is about asteroid.
I cannot hear.
Can you share the board?
Ma'am,
1 minute. Other, what is it? I cannot hear.
seventh question is about asteroid.
Ah. Sorry about the asteroids. Yes.
I didn't finish. Can you share?
Yes, I'm sharing.
Ma'am,
After writing sixth question, I'll have to explain few things. Then I'll go to the next question. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, finished.
Okay. There are others who have not completed. Is there somebody who has to complete now?
Finish.
Srirugda and all is
Ma'am, not
writing. No?
finished.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Okay.
Finished.
Ma'am, I did
Completed?
not finish.
Ah,
Ma'am, I
go on.
did not.
Okay, complete fast, complete fast. Only one words are there.
Finish.
Mm.
I'm finished.
So children, we talked about the asteroids, isn't it? What is it?
Yeah.
The things which are
Asteroid. Asteroid.
Asteroid.
rocks which are standing in a line is called as
Asteroid belt.
Belt.
yes, the rocks which are standing in a line is called as
Asteroid belt.
belt. Children, which is how many planets are there?
8 planets.
Eight. Which are the middle planets? Which will be the space between the middle planet? Middle,
Earth.
which all planets are there? Two planets in the middle. What are they?
Mars and Jupiter.
Mars and
Jupiter, isn't it?
Jupiter.
Yes. Between these two planets, there is a connecting line of asteroids. Okay, there is a connecting line which is made by the asteroids, and that line is
Called the
Asteroid belt.
asteroid
Belt.
Now we can write that.
Okay, ma'am.
What are these rocks called as?
Asteroid.
These rocks are called
Rocks are called
the rocks. You have to write whatever I'm writing in capital letter, you have to write that in capital letter itself. Okay. Mars and Jupiter, first letter should be in capitals. Okay, understood, children?
Yes.
The rocks between Mars and
asteroid.
Now you have to write.
The rock
are
between Mars and Jupiter make
the asteroid
Belt.
belt.
Ma'am, finished.
There are others who has not completed yet.
Ma'am, not finished.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Till 10th question we will do today. Okay. There is one question in that section itself that we will learn it in the next class. Okay. There are so many things else we have to go through. So after that we will go through the other questions. Okay. The eighth one Mars is the dash planet from the sun. What is the number of Mars? Fourth planet, isn't it?
Yes.
Fourth. Next, dash is the biggest planet in the solar system.
Jupiter.
Planet in our solar system.
The Earth has 3 natural satellites.
10th one.
The
How many natural satellites does the Earth have?
One satellite.
Ma'am, 11th one. Ma'am, 11th one.
I know you people know the answers, but not only that question I wanted. There are so many other things also you have to learn along with that.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse
Yes.
me. In the 10th question, the Earth has 1 natural satellite.
What is it?
In the 10th question, the Earth has 1 natural satellite. After we will pick 1, but then natural satellites, there is a 1 more S. So,
I did not get you. One second.
Ma'am.
Those are not completed. I'll share it again. 1 minute. Who's asking me?
Ma'am,
Mayasa.
Mayasa was asked.
What is it, Mayasa? It was not clear, dear, as the voice is very feeble for me. Yeah.
that in the 10th question, the Earth has 1 dash natural satellites. It is 1 now.
Yes, one.
So natural satellites, and that satellites 1 S is there.
That is a mistake. Leave it. How many satellites are there for Earth? Only 1. Isn't it? How many? It's because how many. Okay. There are many natural satellites. But for Earth, it is
1.
1 satellite.
Satellite.
Ma'am, I finished all these questions.
Sorry?
I finished all these
these
questions.
questions.
Okay.
I finish.
Is there somebody who left out to write?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Completed. Okay. So Sri Rugda, read me the first question.
Ma'am, we are not doing the 12th question.
No.
On which planet?
Along with that, I have to teach you something else also. That's why I'm just waiting for it. Okay.
On
Yes, Sri
which
Rugda.
planet do fast storms blow? Neptune.
Which planet? Which one?
Neptune.
Neptune. Children, I may ask it without the pictures also. For your exam, I may ask it without the pictures also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Gather and read the second one.
Second one. Which heavenly body forms a bright tail when it is close to the sun? Comet.
Comet. Yes. UN, read the third.
This. Which question?
Third one, UN.
The name of our galaxy is the Milky Way.
Ma'am, can I read next?
Who is it?
Ma'am.
While I'm
Maya
sharing, I
Sidhu.
cannot see the whole members. So please.
Ma'am, Ayasa.
Yes, Mayasa, read.
The Halley's Comet will probably be seen again in 2061.
Amaya, read the third one. Next one. Fifth one.
What do we call a system where a set of planets
Planets continuously.
continuously moves around a star? Planetary system.
Planetary system. Yes. Joanne, read the next.
How many planets are there in our solar system? 8.
8. Yes. Seventh one. Hail.
Rocks like these are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Rocks between Mars. Identify and define them. These rocks are called asteroids. The rocks between Mars and Jupiter make up the asteroid belt.
Now, Aditya, will you read the 8th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun.
Hmm. 9th one, Adar, read.
And next, can I read?
Ma'am,
Read.
which question?
9th one, 9th.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system.
Hmm.
And next, can I
Now,
read? Next, can I read? I'm Ritika.
Arjun, can you read the next one? 10th one.
The Earth has one natural satellite.
How many? Can you just repeat it once again, Arjun?
The Earth has one natural satellite.
Satellite, yes. Prarthana and Pranav read 1 and 2. Prarthana read 1, Pranav read 2.
Okay, then. On which planet do fast storms blow? Neptune.
Hmm.
Which heavenly body forms a bright tail when it closes to the sun?
Hmm.
Comet.
Yes. Advaita, read the 3rd one.
The name of our galaxy is Milky Way.
Milky Way. Okay, what is it?
Milky Way.
Yes. Adidev, read the next one, 4th one.
The name of our galaxy.
The Halley comet will properly be seen again in
Hmm.
2061.
Okay. Sringa, we has read the 5th one. Sringa, I cannot hear. Can you read a bit louder?
And after Sringa, can I read?
I'm not able to hear Sringa. There is a trouble. Sribhadra, read the 6th one.
How many planets are there in the system? 8.
8. Azad, read the 7th.
Rocks like these are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Identify and define them. These rocks are called asteroids. The rock between Mars and Jupiter make up the asteroid belt.
Yes. Aris Nihal, can you read the 8th one? 8th one, 8th.
Mars is the dash planet from the sun.
Hmm.
Fourth.
Very good. Joyrek, read the next.
Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system.
Vaishnav, 10th.
The Earth has one natural satellite.
Okay. Ayin Maria, can you read the first one again?
On which planet does fast storm blows? Neptune.
Adira, read the second one.
Yes, ma'am. Which heavenly body forms a bright tail when it is close to the sun? Comet. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, Achud.
Yeah,
I was
ma'am.
going to call your name. Come on.
Third question. Ma'am,
Third one. Yes, third.
The name of our galaxy is Milky Way.
Okay. Vedika, wait. I will ask you next question, not this one. Niran, can you read the next one? 4th one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
The Halley comet will probably be seen again in 2061.
2061. Vedika, come on, read the next one. 5th one.
What do we call a system where a set of planets continuously move around a star? Planetary system.
Yes. Aditri, can you read the next? Sixth one.
Ma'am, how many planets are there in our solar system? 8.
8. You can read the next. 7th.
I already got a chance.
Huh?
I already chance.
You got a chance. Okay, Sweden. He's sitting there and has talking. Sweden. Not at all hearing. Happily talking. Sweden. Sweden. Read the 7th one. Sweden.
Ma'am, I think she.
Oh my God. Where are you?
Ma'am,
Read the 7th question.
these rocks are called asteroids. Between Mars and Jupiter, make up the asteroid
Belt. Isn't it? Okay. And what are the next two? Mars is the dash planet from the sun.
Four.
Fourth planet. Dash is the biggest planet in the solar system.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Yes. The Earth has how many?
One.
How many satellites? One. Okay. So that is it, children. Balance we will discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.